Okay, we have a Bridgeport Romi Easy Path lathe, model Easy Path. It has 16.5-inch swing by 40-inch centers. Machine was made in 1994, serial number 002-078824-325. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a DX32 or BP2M control. Those are the hand wheels, which are electronic. Machine acts as a digital readout. You have a A25 spindle. He's wrapping it, the X and the Z. You have hardened and ground ways. And we're running the spindle, 700 RPM. There's a 6-jaw chuck on the machine right now, a 10-inch 6-jaw, but you also have a lever type 5C collar closer with the machine. 65 RPM. You know what, I am incorrect about the spindle nose. I believe that's a camlock spindle. $130 RPM. $265. That's your tailstock. Tailstock has a number 4 Morse taper at 6.3 inches of travel. Okay, and you have a steady rest with the machine. Hey, thank you for watching our video.